Question number 18. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternately at A and B. Starting in the center at A of radius 0.5, 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter are shown in figure 5.4. What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? So they give some value here. The first one is they talk about 13 semicircle. So n equal to 13. And they talk about radii of various semicircle. So I call as a R1, that is equal to 0.5 centimeter, and R2 that is equal to 1.0 centimeter, and for R3 that is value is 1.5 centimeter, and so on. Okay, maybe R4 2.0 centimeter. And before going for this one, we must know what is the perimeter of semicircle formula. So perimeter of semicircle given by the formula pi r. This formula derived from the circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r. We already know about this one. Circle is 2 pi r and semicircle is half of the semicircle. So therefore the perimeter of a circle is pi r. From this formula we can derive the value for 13 consecutive semicircles length. Okay, so with this we go for the next one here. Now I am starting with this one. I just, instead of giving a different name, I just want to give a name called perimeter of the first circle, that's a P1 is called as a pi r1, that is equal to pi into r is 0.5 centimeter. So I can call this 0.5 pi. The same way perimeter of the second circle is given by pi r2. The radius of the second circle is 1 centimeter, so 1.0, that is given by pi. Perimeter of the third circle given by pi r3, pi into 1.5, that is equal to 1.5 times pi. And perimeter of the fourth circle given by pi r4, and that is equal to pi into 2.0, that is equal to 2.0 pi. Okay, so we have some pattern here. So successive semicircle increased by a factor of 0.5 times. So in this case, one more thing also given in the question, that is the n equal to 13. We can find the total length of the spiral made up of 13 semicircle by using the formula Sn, because Sn nothing but sum of n numbers of arithmetic progression. So Sn equal to n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. And here n is a 13. Okay, what is the a? The first value, that is in this case the perimeter of the first semicircle P1. Okay, n 13, we know this one. What is the d? Difference between two consecutive terms here, but here difference between two consecutive length of perimeters. So with this idea we will proceed to the next one here. We have the formula Sn equal to n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So now I am going to find the d. So d is equal to perimeter of the second circle minus perimeter of the first circle. Perimeter of the second circle is pi. Perimeter of the first circle is 0.5 pi. So the difference is 0.5 pi. There is a d. Now I am going to find what is the a? The perimeter of the first circle. There is a P1. That is equal to 0.5 pi. Okay. Now I am going to apply all the value in the formula. N is equal to 13. Already we know this one. So I am writing here S13 is equal to 13 upon 2 times 2 into a is 0.5 pi, then plus 13 minus 1 d is equal to 0.5 pi. I am taking this value to the next page, and there I am going to substitute and get the answer one after other. So we have equation like this way. Okay, so from this I am starting here. 13 by 2 times 2 into 0.5 equal to 1.0 times pi. 0.1 into pi plus 13 minus 1 is 12 12 into 0.5 pi. Okay, I'm adding a lot of steps, so you can minimize the step wherever possible here. So that is equal to pi plus 12 into 0.5 is equal to 6 pi. So in this case 13 by 2 into 7 pi. Okay, I'm going to substitute the value for pi. Pi is equal to, as per the question given, they asked to use 22 by 7. If they asked to use 22 by 7, the question is given 22 by 7, you have to use that one. In case, suppose they asked to use pi equal to 3.14, you have to use 3.14. So in this case, I'm going to cancel some numbers. So 7 and 7 I can cancel, and also I can cancel one time, and here 11 times. So that now the answer is, that is equal to 13 into 11. Okay, so in this case, if we go for multiplying separately here, it's not necessary, but you must do it directly, but I'm doing for you here. So 3 4 1 143 centimeter. What is the 143 centimeter? Question they ask is one, what is the total length of the spiral made up of 13 semicircle? Okay, so you have to write the answer. Length of spiral made up of 13 semicircle is 143 centimeter. Or you write this one as 13, that is equal to 143 centimeter, 143 centimeter. Okay.